More than 22,000 people are already confirmed dead and an unknown number still lie trapped, with the window for their rescue closing rapidly. And yet the science will go on. The insights and gleaned from this event will save lives. In the future, the scientists are still scanning this Earth, quake-prone region of the world, tracing the often subtle changes in the elevation at the Earth's surface. In simple words, that means the scientists are still looking for a great way to save lives in the future. This was Mr. Normal Male speaking for the site of Global News 2398.